Welcome back to PMart. Today we have Apple's clear case. With the clear polycarbonate and flexible material, you can show off your phone and protect it at the same time. With that nice clear glossy look, you can kind of tell which phone this is. And of course, your MagSafe magnets to put in your accessories. This is an Apple official product and we got it for around $49. We put a link down below. Here's your barcode or serial number, so let's open it. Inside the box, you got the manual. Then you have the clear case. Take this off. Look at that, nice. View from the top, you have your on and off switch. At the bottom, it's the same from last year. You have that big cutout at the bottom, so it's exposed. Going on the side, you got the volume rocker, and of course now you got the action button rather than just having a cutout. Going on the top, in the back side here, you have this raised lip to protect your camera. In the middle, you got the MagSafe magnets. Now, the iPhone 14 Pro Max seemed like the magnets is stronger. I want to know if this is the same. We'll check that later. Inside of the casing, you have the iPhone Max designed by Apple. Surrounding your phone, you just have that polycarbonate clear material. Doesn't have any like honeycomb structure or like dents or bumps. It's just a clear case. Here's a side-to-side comparison next to our iPhone 14 Pro Max. Very similar. The only difference is that the 15 is slightly taller. Bottom is the same. It's exposed. And to be honest, it seems like it's the same height. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and try it if it fits. This is the black titanium. So which color did you get? Let us know. Put it on our case. Top first, since the bottom is exposed anyway. Push all the way to the top with your index and your thumb. Press it down. There you go. You have that nice look clear case. Glossy finish. Does feel good on the hand. I mean, it's going to be slippery no matter what. And on the side here, you can see that titanium rather than stainless steel. Let us know which one you prefer, the stainless steel or the brush look. As far as the button goes, they're not clicky. It's okay. Got the action button. Same as the on and off switch. This is just your nice minimal case. If you're just looking for that sleek, slight protection, this one looks good. Also, let us know if you prefer this a little bit closed with just cut out on the speakers and the USB port, or you like it just open like this. We don't have a screen protector yet, but even without it, the lip is high enough, so it'll protect your screen. Putting it down, I mean, I could understand it could slip off sometimes. Feels okay, but yeah, it's a clear case. Here's the lip. Let's see if it's high enough to protect it. Yep, it's high enough to protect your cameras. Is it hard or easy to take off? Let's see. Start on this side since it's the most exposed. I'd say normal. I wouldn't say easy to take off. It's actually, oh, it's not coming off. So if you're the type to switch cases, it's a little bit hard taking it off, especially with this clear polycarbonate material. It tends to be a little bit slippery. Now this is an Apple official case. You literally bought it at the store. I mean, there are times that when you put on an accessory from them, it would have a graphics. This one is not showing it. Let us know in the comments below if you're doing the same, if it's doing the same thing for you. For example, if I put my Apple leather wallet, so you would do that graphic. Do it again. If I put on the Apple case, nothing. Since we already have the wallets, go ahead and take a look at the MagSafe accessories and stuff that you could put in there. This one is your wallet. It's the official Apple wallet. You got your ring grip. And as far as the magnet strength goes, it's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You got that stainless steel. Let me check the magnets. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, it's the same. But we mentioned this earlier. This is the 14 Pro Max. If I put the clear case on it, see, it has that graphic. And here's our 15 Pro Max. If I put it on, nothing. So let us know in the comments below if yours is doing the same thing. Maybe it's just a iOS or a software update. Let me try turning it off and on. Okay, now let's try that one more time. Put this on. Still nothing. Now, you know what? Let's put in the 14 Pro Max case here. Would it fit? It didn't do the graphics again, and yeah, this one's just a little bit loose. I mean, I was able to put it on a little bit easier than the other one, but you know what? I think it actually fits. Nope, I take that back. You see the volume rockers doesn't even line up with the buttons. Also, you got the new action button, would not work. You got the on and off switch doesn't line up, and kind of goes down, so it's a little bit loose. Let's try the graphics, see if it works one last time. No, it doesn't. So it might just be a software issue. Just wanted to show you again. Put the 14 on. Loop Grip by EWA. And the white grip. And a flip style wallet by ESR. And of course, wireless charge. Yeah, that's that graphic. Put a link below in case you're interested in these accessories. So which one do you use? So this is just an FYI based on the strength of the magnets with all the other cases that I reviewed. Anything that's the same as Apple is already good. Anything above it is even better. With regular holding, we don't have any issues. Side to side, up and down. Let me just try to take it off. Come on, come on. There you go. Also depends on your grip too. This one has a strong hold. If you're looking for that minimalistic, simple look, a case that can show off your phone, it will protect you from dust and drops, good magnet strength, check out Apple's clear case. We'll put a link down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay positive.